ciel bleu vole dans silence.
Hi, this is Netta. Welcome to my channel. My whole goal for this channel is to help you feel beautiful and confident every single day. Really excited about today's video because I'm working with Beret again, and for me, my confidence on any given day comes down to how this looks and how this feels, right? Like it's my hair, it's my skin, it's how tired or refreshed I look that really directly influences how I feel about the way I look that day. And really, it's what people see about us. Let's face it. The first thing that people see in us is our face, our hair. That's the first impression we make, whether we're on Zoom calls or whether we're in real life. Like that's really kind of what sets the tone for how we look that day. And so I'm very excited to share my actual everyday anti-aging, getting my glow back, looking and feeling refreshed, even on days when I'm not refreshed, makeup routine with you today. And it really starts with this product that I have become obsessed with. Now, before I get started, if you're not familiar with Beret is clean, healthy, minimalist beauty that really just works for everyday lives and for everyday women. I'm obsessed with it. I will tell you, my teen daughters have become obsessed with it, and they keep stealing products out of my Beret stash and using it themselves. If you haven't ordered from Beret before, you get free shipping over $40, which I think is amazing, and you get their free signature bag with every first purchase. So I love this bag. I keep my Beret products in this bag so I can take them all over the house with me. And like I said, I found them in both of, I have a 14-year-old and a 16-year-old. I found them in both of their rooms. One of the products that they have been stealing from me a lot is this brand new Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. I am obsessed with this serum. It makes the perfect first step in your morning makeup routine, and let me tell you why. Okay, so this product has 4 types of hyaluronic acid in it. Hyaluronic acid is really important for hydration. It really intensely hydrates your skin. You're gonna wanna use about a pump of this if you have oily skin. You wanna shake it up, because as you can see, it's like a bi-phase product. So you wanna shake it up. Like 1 pump for oily skin, 2 for combination skin, 3 for dry skin. I'm just gonna show you how I apply it. You just press it into your skin. Now, my skin has been really irritated lately because I have been using my retinoid product again. I've resumed using my retinoid products at night, so my skin's been a little prickly, especially my neck area, and it's been really dry and like crepey, and this has just been so soothing and so immediately hydrating. This also has niacinamide in it. Niacinamide is essential for brightness and for evening skin texture. So if you feel like you've got that dullness, a little bit of pigmentation issues, which I always have, skin texture issues, niacinamide is amazing for that. It also has a cacao seed extract, which gives basically your skin a caffeine boost, and it gives you an instant plumping effect. And then this Japanese gold leaf, gold root product extract, amazing magic stuff in it that really brightens your skin. So you're getting brightening, you're getting plumping, you're getting intense hydration, and you're getting an amazing first layer that's going to keep your skin hydrated all day long and really works as a great foundation or a makeup base, like a great first step in your makeup routine. I absolutely love it. Apparently like 100% of the people who tried this product said it was really, really soothing. So for those of you who are irritation prone, or if you're using something that makes your skin a little touchy right now, I would definitely recommend this. And at $38, I think it's a really, really good price for such a high quality serum. So anyway, that was my first step, that Beret Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. Now I'm going to continue on with my makeup routine. Now I'm going to show you how I get the glow that I need to get through a given day in record time. Now, one of the things I love about this, I'm using the Minimalist here in Khaki. One of the things I love about this Minimalist is that you can use as little or as much as you want. You can just use it on specific spots on your face. You can use it all over your face. It works both ways. And it's just super blendable. It blends with your skin. actual skin texture that shows through, so you don't have to apply it all over unless you want to. I like to apply it all over. I do have some pigmentation issues, and I just kind of like that look of having that smooth look all over. But again, you can just put it under your eyes, you can just put it around your nose, just put it where you need it, and then blend, blend, blend. This is the brush number 1. It creates an amazing, I mean, first of all, it feels like a spa. I think I say this every time I use this. It feels like a spa treatment, but it just gives you such a nice, smooth, like buffed out look. So the next step, I'm going to add my bronzing balm in the color Seine. I love this bronzing balm. Now I can't get it open. There we go. I love this because it's foolproof. I've never used bronzers in the past because I always felt like, oh, I have color already. Why do I need a bronzer? Oh my goodness. This gives like an instant glow. It makes you look like, I live in Florida. It makes me look like it's the middle of the summer and I've gone out and gotten some sun, which I try not to do, but without any of the damage. So I absolutely love it. It's also completely foolproof. Even I can't mess this up, and I am not typically a bronzer user, but it just gives you a little glow, gives you a little bit of color, gives your skin a little life. And that's what this is all about, right? It's recapturing that glow, but doing it in a quick way that doesn't take over your entire life. So I'm looking at myself and then looking at you guys as well. Okay, so here we go. Bronzer done. The next step is the highlighting balm, and this is the shade Cava. And I like to kind of put this around my eyes a little. I like to put it on the bridge of my nose. I like to put it a little here, and just kind of where the light hits your face is kind of where you want to add a little bit of highlighter. Now, as you can see, this just has absolutely no glitter. There's no sparkle. There's no weirdness. You're not going to look like a disco ball. It's just the most natural and simple glow on your skin, and I just love it. I think it is magical. It really makes you look like you just, took a vacation, took a long nap, like you just, you're just relaxed. It's just, I love it. I love it. So the next thing that I will do is I will add my Flush Balm. This is their answer to blush, and I love it. I'm using the shade Raspberry Beret today. It's a great medium berry color that I think works well in all skin tones, and I'm just going to apply it right here on my cheekbones. I mean, this does not take precision. You don't need to be a makeup artist. You don't need to be a makeup expert or a beauty guru or, love makeup as much as I love makeup to get this right. Like, that's it. Just a glow and you're set. And it's just effortless. Like, I just look more rested. I look more refreshed. I wore this a couple of days ago. This is my everyday makeup routine. I went to my parents' house and my dad asked me what I'd been doing. He said, have you been sleeping better? You look more relaxed. I'm like, oh, it's the makeup. It's the makeup, because I had not been sleeping better and I was not relaxed, but my face looked like I was. So that's all that counts. Okay, so next we're gonna go and just do a little defining around our eyes. This is gonna take seconds. Again, this is the Brown 1980. I like to go out with this. You can also brush up, but I just like the look of going out. I like doing a little bit of definition, a little bit of color on my brows, and just getting that definition in. That is done. Trying to see myself and see you guys at the same time. There we go. And then the Beret Clean Lash. I love this mascara. I have really oily eyelids and it doesn't transfer onto my eyelids. So it just stays where you put it. And it's such a great lengthening mascara. Ooh. Does anyone else make weird faces when they put on mascara? There we go. Just gonna apply this. And again, if I'm not talking to you, I'm done in 4 minutes. Like, it's super, super fast. But I feel like I look like rested, refreshed. There are my eyes. My eyes are done. That's all I'm doing. Next, I'm just gonna add my favorite new lipstick shade. This is their signature lip in the shade Tiger. It's kind of like a brick red color, but it goes on. It's completely weightless. So those of you, I'm a lipstick person. Those of you who are not lipstick people, try this because it feels like nothing on your lips. You forget it's on. I mean, is this the perfect fall shade? It's the perfect fall shade. I love this color. It's called Tiger, in case I forgot to mention it. It's just the best. It's just the best shade. That's it. I'm done. I'm ready for the day. Like, I can shoot videos. I can go to the grocery store. I can do all the things today with this full face done in less than 5 minutes. So get your glow back. Get that kind of spring in your step that comes from looking and feeling your best every single day. I definitely recommend these products. I'm obsessed with this new Great Skin Serum. This is something that my girls have been stealing from me. Their friends have been stealing from me. Like I said, I keep finding it in their rooms because it works on my 14-year-old slightly oily skin, my 16-year-old's combination skin. It works on everybody's skin type. It doesn't clog pores. It just refreshes and gives your skin that boost in the morning. So I love it. I hope that you enjoyed learning about how to capture your glow and get that glowy look first thing in the morning. And you know, that really sets you up for a great day. An instant glow, it's like kind of an anti-aging, but more of a refreshing makeup routine that kind of gives you a boost for your day. So love you guys. If you like tutorials like this, let me know. Give me a like. Don't forget to comment. Let me know which of these steps you struggle with, which of these products you've tried. Have you tried any of them? Do you love them? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Love you. I'll see you in the next one.